Okay, so I hope everybody's doing all right. And here's a little update on the Atlas MP15 speaker box build and installation, the custom one as described in the earlier uploads in this particular series. Now, just to recap, here's the original speaker mount. It's not an enclosure by definition, which we no longer need. Here's the plug that was originally underneath this screen, which takes up quite a bit of space as well, as you can see by the thickness of it. So we don't need that. And then there was this little foam insert in behind the front of the grill here. Don't need that either. So that frees up all this space, which gives us 50% more airspace capacity, at least roughly. It's probably a little bit more, but then when I install the speakers down inside the box, it kind of balances out, so I still get about a 50% increase in air volume in this little switcher. And then just to also mention, I'm putting two of the ESU lock sound speakers as described in here, and they'll be soldered in parallel with a space in between. I like to keep the magnets away from one another. You don't want to have them too close because the polarity pulls back and forth on the magnet. So those will be mounted and soldered up in parallel, and then I'll airbrush this speaker box, the top of it, so that when I mount the photo etched screen back on, it'll fit on there nice. And then so I nibble off these tabs as well, right? So they look like this. See, there's just about a millimeter there left, or two, or maybe 1.5 mil. Like, just leave enough, the width of the thickness of the body here, so that you can have three. Just sand that off raw to brass, and then just a spot of CA on those, and just use them as glue tabs, right? And then when the speaker box and speakers are all just airbrushed or spray bomb, whatever you want, black, or even brush paint them out black, and you mount that screen on there, she'll look cherry. And so you're going to end up with better sound for sure in the airtight enclosure and the little bit larger capacity as well. And then just to show you how it's been mounted, I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to utilize this original screw hole. I could right here. I could just run a screw down through the bottom there, but I think I'm just going to tack this in place with CA, because usually if you ever have to get these things off, you can pretty much get a little screwdriver in there and you can just pop these off, right? Like, they do come off. So I just glue my speaker boxes in place unless I can incorporate, the screw mount conveniently, but I don't worry about it too much. If I need to service this truck, I can pop that off. So it's already a tight fit already, just on a dry run, so a bit of CA will hold it nicely in place. Okay? See you on the next upload. Have a great day.